Welcome back to GK class. Our chapter is Famous Monuments and Buildings of India. India is a country of several hundreds of historical monuments, with each holding their own special significance. A historical monument is a rich source of history. It gives us a sense of wonder and makes us curious to know more about the past connected with it. The study of a monument helps you to construct history through observation. Here they give where are the following Indian monuments situated. Some pictures are here. Let us start our topic, Famous Monuments and Buildings of India. First, Jagmandir Island Palace. It is also called Lake Garden Palace. This palace is located in Udaipur city in the state of Rajasthan. The construction of the palace was started in 1551 by Maharana Amar Singh, continued by Maharana Karan Singh, and finally completed by Maharana Jagat Singh. The royal family used the palace as a summer resort and pleasure palace for holding parties. Jagmandir Island Palace was situated in Udaipur in the state of Rajasthan. Next one, Ellora Caves. Ellora Caves is located in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. It is one of the largest rock-cut monastery temple cave complexes in the world. Ellora is famous for Hindu, Buddhist and Jain cave temples built during 6th and 9th centuries. The rule of the Kalachuri, Chalukya and Rashtrakuta dynasties. Ellora Caves is located in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. The third one, Bodhi tree. The Bodhi tree is the enormous sacred fig tree in Bodh Gaya, under which the Gautama Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment. It was located in Bodh Gaya, Bihar. The Bodhi tree was located in Bodh Gaya in Bihar. Bodh Gaya in Bihar. The fourth one, Halasuru Someshwara Temple. It is located in Bangalore. It is one of the oldest temple in the city, Bangalore city, dating back to the Chola period. Someshwara temple located in Bangalore. The fifth one, Iron Pillar. The Iron Pillar is located in Delhi. It has 24 feet tall and more than 6 tons weight. The inscription of the pillar talks about the victory of kings. Iron Pillar is situated in Delhi. Lal Bagh Garden. It is an old botanical garden in Bangalore, India. Lal Bagh is a 240 acres garden. It has over 1,000 species of plants with many trees that are more than 100 years old. And also it is famous for its glass house. Lal Bagh Garden is situated in Bangalore, India. Bangalore. Lal Bagh Garden is situated in Bangalore. Man Mandir Palace. This palace was built during the reign of Mansingh Tomar. Mansingh Tomar. It is situated in Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh. Man Mandir Palace is situated in Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh. Amarnath Cave. It is located in Jammu and Kashmir. The cave is surrounded by snowy mountains. The shrine forms an important part of Hinduism. Inside the main Amarnath cave lies an ice stalagmite resembling the Shiva Linga, which waxes during May to August and gradually wanes thereafter. Amarnath cave is located in Jammu Kashmir. Next, Nandi Bull. The gained image of Nandi is located at the top of Chamundi Hills in Mysore. More than 350 years old, this is one of the oldest icons in Mysore. It has about 16 feet in height and 24 feet long. The Nandi was constructed during the period of Dodda Devaraja Odayar, the Maharaja of the Kingdom of Mysore. Nandi Bull is located at the Chamundi Hills, Mysore. Chamundi Hills, Mysore. Next one, Sanchi Stupa. It is the oldest stone structure in India. Oldest stone structure. It is situated in Madhya Pradesh. The Emperor Ashoka ordered it to be built in the 3rd century BC. It is famous for 84,000 stupas, monolithic Ashoka pillar, temples, monasteries, etc. 84,000 stupas. Sanchi Stupa is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Sanchi Stupa is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Next, Gomateshwara statue. It is the tallest monolithic statue in the world. It is located on Vindhyagiri at Shravanabalagola in Karnataka. The statue was the commander of Ganga dynasty, Chaundariya, the commander of Ganga dynasty. He was built the Gomadeshwara statue. It is located in Shravanabalagola, Karnataka. Amber Palace. The palace built in red sandstone and white marble. It is built by Raja Man Singh in 1592. It is situated in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Amber Palace is situated in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Built by Raja Man Singh. Padmanabha Swami Temple. This temple was built in the 16th century by the kings who ruled over the kingdom of Travancore. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram, the state capital of Kerala. It is the richest temple in the world. Padmanabha Swami Temple is the richest temple in the world. It is situated in Thiruvananthapuram, the state capital of Kerala. Brihadeshwara Temple. It is also called Rajarajeshwaram or Peruvudayar Kovil. It is located in the bank of Kaveri River in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. It is built by Tamil King Rajaraja Chola. Brihadeshwara Temple is built by Tamil King Rajaraja Chola. Brihadeshwara Temple is located in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Next, Charminar. Charminar is a monument in Hyderabad. It was built in 1591 AD. Charminar is the oldest monument in India. It was built by Muhammad Qali Qutb Shahi. Hyderabad is also called Charminar city. Charminar is located in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is also called Charminar city.